Hello everybody. Okay, I wanna put this on hello guys. Yeah, good. Alright, hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a tutorial on a look that is completely not this look. A look that is totally not this look. No, not really. It's gonna be a tutorial on this look right here. As you can see, it's super colorful, very snazzy. I had some wings lined up because I like to cut things because that's my secret hobby. Oh my god, yeah, that sounds a little bit problematic, so don't pay attention to that. Maybe I'll not put that in the video, I don't know. Or I probably will because I'm demented. So anyway, this video will be this tutorial right here, this look right here. I will show you how to create this look. I added a winged liner today because I thought it would be snazzy. And you know, this is a snazzy makeup look, so fit well, don't you think? Clearly I have to work on my intros. But anyway, tutorial on this look if you want to see how to create this look, or if you just want to watch a video where someone puts on makeup, then of course, keep on watching. Actually, I'm wearing a little bit of a snazzy outfit today. This is my Panic at the Disco shirt, which I love very much. And then also this vintage cardigan that my mom made when she was in Moscow. But anyway, I'm going to be doing my base real quickly. I've already done my eyebrows. Let's not talk about my eyebrows. I'm not very happy with them today. For one thing, I haven't actually done them in a while, and I also am trying out a new brow product which I don't want to mention because I kind of want to just work on trying it out more, and then maybe I'll put it in another video. But I just am trying this new brow product out, not sure if I like it or hate it, but yeah, we'll see what happens. So I'm thinking that today I want to do something snazzy, and I'll be using my singles palette again. You know, my single ladies, we've already been over this in previous videos, but I'm going to be using my singles palette, and I'm trying to think of what color combination I want. What do I want to put on my face today? I think I'll be using this color right here. Just taking a fluffy brush. And this will be my transition shade. By the way, all the shade names and everything you need to know will be down below in the description box. So there you go. That's my little public service announcement for you. My PSA. I'm taking a flat brush and I'm dipping into this blue shade right here. And I'm going to be applying this basically to my, what do I want to do? I think I want to do a halo eye. So yeah, what I'm doing here is I'm just applying it to my lid, to my outer corner, but I'm also applying some into my inner corner as well, and leaving a blank space. So essentially we're making a little bit of an eyeshadow sandwich. So this is what it ends up looking like. So now I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is a Morphe M506, and I'm using this to blend out those edges because I don't really feel like I want a super harsh cut crease eye look today. I just want it to be a little bit more blended out, which is why I'm just using this really small brush to go in and diffuse those lines a little bit. Going back with the transition shade, I'm going to be using this to blend things out a little bit since I don't want this to be all about the blue. I still want that peachy color to remain in my crease. Now I'm taking the same flat brush I was using earlier, except now I'm flipping it to the other clean side, and I'm using this color right here, which I find is a really interesting, kind of a cross between this silvery and a light green shade. It's very kind of unique. I really like it. So this is going right in the center of my eyelid. Now for foundation, I'm using my Fenty Beauty one, and this will really just help me out a lot because I feel like it will sort of clean up what I have going on here. Okay, now that I've applied some foundation, I'm going to go back into this palette right here, and I feel like Yeah, I feel like I want to apply like a light layer of this pink color into my lower lash line. Then I'm taking a smaller pencil brush and I'm going to dip into this color right here and just run this very lightly into my under eye. I'm not going all the way, I am stopping kind of halfway. So that's what you get. And then of course I'm tight lining my top and bottom lash line with the Maybelline EyeStudio gel liner in the shade, well, you know what I'm gonna say, Blackest Black. I actually kind of want to do a winged eyeliner, so I'm gonna do that real quick as well. For my inner corner highlight, I want to try and maybe do something a little bit unexpected, I guess. I don't even know. This is going to be the color I'm going to try to use. This might turn out really badly. I hope it does not, of course, but you never know. So let's see. Okay, see, my thing with this is I'm not sure if this blue is balancing this out. I mean, I like it, but like, is it? You know what? I like it, so I think I'm gonna leave it. Alright, so now I'm gonna do my mascara and put on some lashes. For lashes, I'm gonna try and use the Vegas Nate Fiercely Fabulous lashes. I'm not sure how these will look with this look. I hope that they look good, but we shall see. They're actually too big, so I had to take them off my eyes. Don't know how I've ever been able to wear these if they're so big. I've only worn them like once. So I'm just gonna trim them off. Yeah, this is always like the part where I'm like, oh god, I don't know how much I need to trim because you don't want to trim too much. Damn it, now my eyes are watering. Okay, I swear to god, if your lashes are super long for your eyes and then you trim just a little bit off, they make it, like, it makes it so much easier. Like right now, I feel like my lashes fit like a glove on my eyeballs. And yeah, so now I'm going to do my lower lash mascara. I'm just going to use the same one because I haven't had a chance to buy a new bottom lash mascara because my old one expired and I don't want to be putting that stuff on my eyeballs. No sorry, no thank you. So there you go, that's my little gist. For my face, you know what I'm using. I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm killing this actually. Like this entire pan, I'm just going through it so fast now that I've hit pan. And I've just found that recently a lot of my favorite products I use all the time I've been running out of, and I've been needing to get like new ones, like my Dip Brow Pomade. I'm almost like completely done with that. Then my Maybelline Cream Gel Liner I'm also running out of. And then this bronzer, and then what else? Yeah, but like those are products that are really difficult to run out of, you know, such as a gel liner. It is kind of hard to run out of that like completely. And I'm proud of myself. Like, I've actually been going through everything in my makeup collection, which I'm very excited about. So, now I'm going to go for some highlight. I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics one. I love it just because it's so incredibly smooth, and when you put it on your skin, it reflects so well without emphasizing anything you don't want it to. You know what I'm saying? But just look at how beautiful that is. And then of course I like to sort of diffuse it. Like I was thinking of getting the Makeup Forever Starlit powders, I think that's what they're called. And then I swatched those powders in store and I was like, these are very similar to the Kylie Cosmetics highlighters, so why do I need to get those when I have these? Might have been a little bit too much highlight, but you know what? No one's judging. You better not judge. I've been using this lip liner for ages. This is a Wet n Wild gel lip liner in the shade Bear to Comment. Kudos to Wet n Wild for making a lip liner that is smooth, that glides on, and yet doesn't move. Love that. So now I'm going to also do a little bit more of Wet n Wild with this Liquid Lip Catsuit matte lipstick in the shade Nudie Patootie. Love saying that shade name. And then because we're in 2018 and not 2016, I'm going to be topping this all off with a Fenty Beauty lip gloss because everyone needs some gloss. That looked a lot dorkier than I imagined it would be. Yeah, haha. So, yes, this is pretty much the finished look. I'm pretty happy with it. It looks pretty good, don't you think? Alright, so I'm going to take off my jacket now so I can do like the... Should I keep it on or off? On, off, on. I should probably keep it off, right? Because that will look better than thumbnails. But for now, I'm going to keep it on. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. To be honest, I've been getting a little bit more back into the winged liner life. Don't know how deep I am yet, but be prepared to see a lot more winged liner looks in 2018, I guess. So thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial right here. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, night, morning. When are you watching this? I'm curious. But thank you so much for watching this anyway, watching this video, watching till the end. I really appreciate your time and your support and you just always leaving really good feedback. That's really makes me feel good inside. So thank you so much for doing that. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys again in another video. So until then, sayonara and farewell to you. Yeah, I should just say bye guys. So bye guys. That's just way too fancy for me.